Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix Meta AI chat not showing issue. So if you have updated your messenger already, then you must see this Meta AI on your messenger and you can ask any questions to this Meta AI here on Messenger. But in case that you can't see this, then the very first thing you should do is to make sure that your messenger is up to date. So you just have to go to your Google Play Store or App Store, type Messenger, and if you see this update button, then click this and wait as it is processing. Once done, you can now launch or open your Messenger again. But in case that you still didn't see that Meta AI, then the next thing you should do is to go to your phone settings. And then if you're using Android, then you have to go to application management, tap app list, and then you have to locate Messenger. So you can go to the search bar and type Messenger, or you can scroll down and look for Messenger. Now, once you found Messenger, the very first thing you should do here is to open, and then you have to click uninstall. Once you have uninstalled your Messenger, then what you're going to do next is to go back to your Play Store, type Messenger, and download or install it again. Now, once done, and when you open your Messenger, still you can't see this Meta AI, then the very last thing you should do is to go to Google web browser and you have to type Messenger Meta AI available country. Now, once you search this, you will see that these countries they have this feature already. If you don't see your country here, then probably it's not yet available in your country, including my country. So what we're going to do here is we just have to wait till it's available in our country and wait till we can see that or Meta AI will pop up in our messenger. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.